Hi, I'm Maria Janet, your mentor for today. Example, let's factor v squared plus 4v minus 21. So first step, we need to find all the factors for negative 21, or the last term, yeah. So we have negative 3 and 7, negative 7 and 3, negative 21 and 1, negative 1 and 21. And our second step, let's find a factor of negative 21 here, which sum is 4. So I will do it for you guys. So we will have negative 3 plus 7. Since negative 3 plus 7 is equals to 4, which is in the second term. Therefore, we're going to use negative 3 and 7. So, the factors of v squared plus 4v minus 21 is b minus 3 times b plus 7. Another example, factor 2q cubed minus 6q squared minus 36q. Since there is a common monomial factor, which is 2q, let's divide it to the given polynomial. So 2q cubed divided by 2q will have q squared. And negative 6q squared divided by 2q, we have negative 3q. And negative 36q divided by 2q, we will have negative 18. Remember, before using any factoring methods, let's just first try to use the common monomial factor if there is. So another step, we should list all the factors of negative 18 here. So next step, we should find the factor whose sum is negative 18 and whose sum is negative 3. So the answer is negative 6 and 3, since negative 6 plus 3 is equals to negative 3. So the factors of 2q cubed minus 6q minus 36q are 2q, which from here in the common monomial factor, and negative q minus 6 and q plus 3. So 2q times q minus 6 times q plus 3.